Hey, welcome guys into my first video of this course, and in this video I'm gonna teach you first of all how to place the ad properly on your website for making a proper revenue on your site. So first of all, you need to log in into your Google AdSense account, and first of all turn on the auto ads, and then we are gonna put some manual ads on our website. So guys, let's go and I just show you how you can do it. So first of all, I just show you here in my site section. Here is my website, which is approved by the Google AdSense. So you need to go into this ad sections of your Google, and here you will find out your website. You need to go for this edit button, and from here make sure to turn on auto ads on your website. Go on your ad settings. Here is the auto ads. Just turn on this option. Once you turn it on, you need to go for the ad load section on Google AdSense and set it on to the max one. Then hit onto the apply to the site. Here it will apply these changes on your website. Once you're done, now you need to go into this buy ad unit section in your Google AdSense, and here you will find out this kind of interface. So here is create new ad unit option. What you need to do, you need to simply click on this ad display option, and from here set it on to be responsive. Then click on this create button and name this ad anything. So I have already created an ad here, which you can see here, display ad. So if we show you here, I named it display ad. It is on the responsive and secure. Then click on the create button, and here guys, your ad will be created successfully. So once you create it, now you need to go for this option, which is a get code, and from here you need to copy this code. Simply click on this copy code snippet. Now click done. Now it's time to log in to your WordPress website. So here I am already in my WordPress dashboard. So for placing the ad manually on our website, if I show you the interface of my website, let's go open it in the new tab. So here you can check it out here, the interface. And if we go in any post, so here you can check it out here, 1 ad, 2 on sidebar, 3, 4, 5, and here is guys almost around 5 to 6 ads in my one page. So let's go in our dashboard. Now you need to go into this plugin section, and now it's time to installing a plugin. So you need to go into the add new button. I'm going in installed, and you need to install a plugin. Name is Ad Inserter. If you go onto this add new button, type Ad Inserter. So guys, here you will got this kind of plugin. So you need to download it and then activate. Once you download and activate this plugin, let's go in our install plugin section. Now it's time to guys putting the code manually in our post. So here we are in the settings. So the locations where you need to put the code, you need to simply paste here the copied code which you copy from the Google AdSense. Then come here and you need to paste here this code. Check mark onto the post only and home and the home page. Then go for this insertion location and put it onto the before content and hit save. Then go into this next tab, again paste here your code. Go for this post option, set it onto the between post 50%, then again hit save. Go for the third one. Now paste your code, set it onto the post and insertion, that is onto the after image one. Then save. Then go for the fourth, and you need to now again paste here the code and set it after content, alignment center, and hit save. And guys, these are just 4 codes which we use manually in our website. Once you put this code, so then next let's go for our next video of this course.